Meet the elliptical aluminum banner hanger system, the best way to quickly and professionally hang your sign or banner. In this video, we'll show you how to choose the right components and assemble them to create a stable and secure banner, simplifying the installation process. Hi, I'm Kristen for CeilingOutfitters.com, which is your one-stop shop for ceiling-based and sign hanging systems and accessories. So I'm not an expert, but Tom, the owner of Ceiling Outfitters, and his team are the experts for all things ceiling and sign hanging. So why am I doing this video? Well, Tom asked me to learn the banner system so I can show you how easy it is to use. So when I was briefed by the team, they explained that the elliptical aluminum banner hanger system includes 5 components: the elliptical aluminum rails, the hanger clips, the end caps, the rail joiners, and lastly, the banner inserts. Now let's take a closer look at the process of choosing the correct components for your project and how these all fit together. This will also help you when you're placing an order on our website. Elliptical aluminum rails. Your first task is to determine the width, or left to right dimension of your sign. The aluminum rails are available in stock lengths of 24, 36, 48, and 60 inches. If your sign is longer or shorter than these stock lengths, you may need to trim your sign or the aluminum rail to fit. For longer banners, you will use multiple rails to achieve the length of your banner. Pro tip: include your graphic designer and printer in the projects early on so that the width of your sign material matches our stock rail lengths. The hanger clip. These slide into the top channel of the rail and provide a connection point to the ceiling. These clips are available in black and clear. The end cap. The end cap provides the finishing touches when inserted into the ends of the aluminum rail. The rail joiner. The rail joiner combines 2 lengths of aluminum rail for longer banners. The joiner includes a hanging point for attaching to a ceiling and must be used to keep the rail level. Banner inserts. While the aluminum rail is the decorative shell, the inserts are what hold the edge of your sign material inside the rail. Choose your insert based on the thickness of your sign material. Let's look at your insert options. Easy Grip Standard. This works well with materials such as paper stocks, styrene, or even vinyl. Easy Grip Heavy Duty. This holds heavier, more rigid materials such as corrugated, Sintra, Coroplast, and foam core. Easy Snap and Grip Rail. This insert works well for paper, poster board, vinyl, and fabrics. Ratchet Rivet. This is recommended for paper only. It will hold up to 100-pound cover stock, but you will need to punch a hole in each corner. The aluminum rail. The rail itself has a 3/16" gap, and thicker materials up to 4 millimeters can be friction fit into this gap. If you have a question about which insert fits your material, call our team and they'll walk you through which insert is best. What about the bottom edge of the sign? Visually complement the top edge by adding the same aluminum rail, inserts, and end caps to the bottom edge of the sign material. The added weight will also dampen any swaying of the sign. Ceiling Outfitter customers use this banner hanger system in almost every industry, from retail, commercial, educational, manufacturing, and even conference and event spaces. I think you'll really be impressed when you get your banner hanger system delivered to your doorstep. Once you see the finished product for yourself, you'll realize how simple and effective this system really is. Visit CeilingOutfitters.com and order your banner hanger system today.